Yeah, on days like today, this Fanttik GoFlow 11, which I got from the seller to show you, is an absolutely awesome thing because it's super hot, super humid outside. And then the best thing is to have a fan like that. And this is not only a fan, this is actually much, much more. You can see it has even a built-in really nice mirror. Hope you can see that here, absolutely amazing. This is not just like a toy, you can really use it to check it out if everything is still okay. But of course the main thing is the fan, and it's super easy to use. We just have to pull down this switch, which is a really nice safety switch. We pull it down here, and then we have two buttons on this side where we have also the mirror. There's this button here, and then we have this wheel which you can use to adjust the speed from 1 to a whopping 100. So basically we can adjust the speed absolutely seamless. That's absolutely amazing. It's so easy to use. It comes even with this hand strap and even a carabiner hook in between. So you cannot only use it as a handheld, you could even replace this with something around your neck. Fan super helpful, has definitely decent speed. And on the other side we have also a button which I can press. Now you can see that hopefully there's a light, of course more impressive during the night, but I hope you can see that here, really super helpful. And when we push here, goes into flashing mode, and when we push, it will turn off again. And what's awesome is everything what's going on here, we can see in the display, which is even built into the mirror. We can see if the light is on, we can see the speed between 1 and 100. Comes with a very modern USB-C port to charge fully in only 2 hours. And then we have a runtime of up to 4 hours on the highest speed and up to 30 hours on the lowest speed. And another awesome feature is I can just put it here, for example, on this table. You can see absolutely hands-free, can have it here like that. Also awesome to use in the office, for example. Really super versatile, but of course also perfect for travel, music festivals, whatsoever. It comes also with this carry pouch, included charging cable. Yeah, it's a really nice thing with some built-in gadgets like this absolutely awesome display in the mirror and the extra light. It's definitely beautiful. I love the hand strap. So what's the disadvantage? For me, a small disadvantage is that the USB-C port here cannot be used to charge a phone. I mean, we have powerful 5200 milliamps battery here inside. Would have been nice to have at least an emergency charging option. And the second thing is the power of the fan is quite limited. I mean, here I have it in the highest setting and there's definitely not too much going on. I mean, it's okay here when I have it really close, but it's not going to blow me away. And especially on the lowest setting where the airflow is really minimal, which is something which I really like, that we have this option. But I also wished that it would be almost absolutely quiet, which is not the case. And I hold it to the microphone. I don't know if you can hear that. There is some kind of whistling sound which is not going away, no matter if it's on the 100 level or if it's on 1. This should be possible in 2026 to remove this whistling sound on level 1. I mean, it's not terrible, but I don't see that we could use that, for example, in the office. If you're outside, for example, on a music festival or in a park where it's loud anyway, it doesn't matter. But if you want to use that in a quiet environment, maybe not perfect. Other than that, a really nice thing. Could be also a great gift, I would say, because it's so beautiful. Definitely an awesome thing. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this fan, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.